Hey everybody, Jeremy here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to talk to you about how to keep your vehicle's windows from fogging up. Before I get into that, I'd like to give you the opportunity to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Alright, let's start with some basics. Anytime the temperature of your window is below the dew point outside, the moisture inside your vehicle's cabin will condense on the windows and cause them to fog up. In a pinch, you can try turning on your heater to warm up the windows, cracking a window, or turning on air conditioning to remove moisture from the air inside the cabin. But what I'll be showing you today is a way to prevent the fog from happening in the first place. If you apply an anti-fog product to the inside of your windows, you won't have to worry about it. Keeping your windows clean is a good place to start since it reduces surface area for moisture to settle on. It's also a good idea to clean the inside of your windows before you apply the anti-fog. All you'll need is your anti-fog product and 100% cotton cloth or paper towels. Apply a small amount of anti-fog to your cloth. Wipe each window thoroughly, one section at a time. It's important to use the anti-fog only on the inside of your windows. Once you've wiped the entire inside surface of the windows you need to treat, do a final wipe with the dry side of your cloth to buff out any streaks. Reapply as needed and you should be fog-free. If you prefer, anti-fog also comes in individually wrapped wipes that work the same way. And that's it. Anything you need for this and other jobs can be found at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.